Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, January 7th. Today is our writing test day, but first, you still have async work to do. You'll watch this video and then you'll click async. You have 2 activities to do on async. The first activity is a discussion about questions and negatives. Okay, you are going to change each sentence to a question and to a negative, like here. The teacher / grade our assignments quickly. Does the teacher grade our assignments quickly? Question. The teacher does not grade our assignments quickly. Negative. So you will do 2 sentences, a question and a sentence for each of these group of words. Your second async assignment is a Kahoot on capitalization. Have fun with Kahoot. Now, today is the test. Please come on time for your test. Everything will be released at 10 o'clock. All right, so you will do the test and then you will do a survey that will evaluate your computer skills, your digital literacy skills. You will evaluate your own skills. All right, and that's it for today. Good luck on your test. You will do well.